okay with staying outside of Bangalore, then this is a very good college with a very decent placement. And so let's know, this is one of the college which is ranked by NRF under category 200 to 250. So that, and it provides for excellent placements. So SDM CET, which is called SDM College of Engineering and Technology in Dharwad district, right? And you see here it is run by the autonomous status from VTU, which is your Visvesvaraya Technical University, and it is a recipient of the UGC grants. And you can see it is being influenced by Mr. Virendra Hegde, who is the chairman of the college. And so from the courses perspective, it offers all the typical engineering branches which you find in other KCET in the comedk colleges in Karnataka. So your electronics, computer, information science, and apart from that there is a chemical branch also. And the similar options you get for the postgraduate program, which is diploma, where you MTech in digital electronics, computers, and the related fields. So college has a good facilities, all in terms of state of art library, girls hostel, boys hostel, and the other well equipped labs. So it has this is a quite old college, and it is there for last more than 25 to 30 years. So it is completely established, and it has a alumni base across globe, right? So you have that advantage that you are joining established college with the decent placement records, as well as a decent facilities for the students, hostels, and rest of the things. So this is which I said the KCET mode of admission. So you can get 45% of the seats which are reserved for Karnataka domicile students, and through the comedk mode of admission you can get into 30% of seats which are reserved for all India quota. So so from anywhere in India you could apply to this and get admission to this college. So you can see that it's a well equipped labs which are part of the infrastructure. And now coming to the cutoff specifically for the comedk, this is the round 2 comedk cutoff, and you see computer science up to 20,000, information science up to 21,000. Similarly, electronics and up to 40,000 you get, so 27 to 40,000 ranks you get electronics and electrical branches. So that way you have a very good, and this is the round 2. So after that, in the extended round 2 it will go much lower. So that is a good advantage, and this is 2020. Now this is the cutoff of same thing, but previous year, which is 2019. So you see here there when the top one is the comedk, and you got a computers up to 28,000 the comedk last round, information science up to 32,000. So this is a very good medium range college, and which you should try. And similarly for KCET, there are 3 branches, and electronics you can get up to 12,000, electronics and electrical up to 16,000, and so on. Now coming to the fees part of it, right? So there are, as I said, multiple modes of admission. So tuition fees for the comedk KCET part is very less, just 55,000 per year. For the comedk, it depends on between 1,27,000 to 2 lakhs depending on which branch you are taking. So 2 lakh is the maximum one. And for the management in quota, again from the branch which you are taking between 1,25,000 to 3 lakhs, depending on the branch which is more demand in this college. Now coming to the most important part, the placement. So you see it's a pretty fair number of students which gets placed every year. So it's increasing. 1920 it is 436, close to 500 students. And the number of companies visiting are also increasing, 64, and the highest package which is being offered in this campus is also increasing. So it's going very decently. Nine started with 9, and now it's close to 13 lakhs. So that it shows the placement is increasing. College is having a good reputation. And the placement, further details you can see from the previous year performance is also increased. So so I should say you can see all the type of companies which visited, IT, non-IT. So IT, KPIT, Tata, TCS, Intel, or Walmart Labs, or Cadence, HPC, and non-IT companies like HSBC, or Tata Hitachi, or Direct Eye, or ACC. So overall, in all, this college is a very good college, and it is an NIRF rank college. And you have a very good chances of getting a good placement here, and it is with the good amenities here. So please consider this college if your ranks are 30, 35, 40,000 in each of these two exams. And hope you like this, and please note the CET and the comment code here. Please do subscribe to the channel, and if you have more queries, please write to me. Thank you very much.